Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. We would like to talk about our student, about our course and other things that are going well in this classroom. So here have around 10 students right now, and everyone are able to make website. So I would like to talk with Abu Said first of all. He's a genius student, and also he do some innovation work and engineering works. I'd like to know about you that how you manage your time daily.
Assalamu alaikum. Mm, my day start after Fajr. Mm, I complete my salah. After some day, I sleep after salah around 1 to 2 hours. Then I my breakfast and then I complete my breakfast. After my practice like WordPress, my basic HTML, CSS, any others, and after it's based on daily routine. Mm,
Okay, so your morning start with Fajr Salat, and then some days you try to sleep, and some days you try to start working, and after some exercise and work, you have you done the breakfast, and what you do after the breakfast?
It's based on
Like if you have no class, today you have class, tomorrow you will not have class, so what you will do it after breakfast like 10 a.m.
actually I passed my most of the time with my hobby. It based on electronics, and that's why I watch many tutorials and for
And practicing with
yes,
the materials.
yes, yes.
Perfect. And what about your evening time and afternoon time?
Afternoon actually I try to wake up. I try to walk uh, around my home, and evening actually after complete salah, then I will practice my class and any other thing.
Okay, so what we summarize, Abu Said is genius look, and uh, he started his days at Fajr, and do some practice and breakfast, and after breakfast he try to some other works. After evening time he start working on that project, or uh, and afternoon time he try to walk some around of his house and native village site. So it's a perfect day for every day is perfect for Abu Said. And now we would like to talk with Muaz. He come from Trishal, so the way far from our classroom. Actually, the most distance you covered, like you come here around 10 kilometers and daily at morning. So it's you have that dedication to work hard and uh, participating in the classroom. So I would like to know about your journey, like how you come here, rickshaw or CNG. Just try to symbolize your English. Like I started from my home to walk to Trishal, and then take a CNG ride to Purabari, then take a rickshaw or auto to Notun Bazar, and then walk here to classroom. Is it right? Is it the right path?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you can say yes, yes, at least, and you understand what I am saying, right? Okay, that's it. And now I would like to talk with Prashanto, the cutest boy and the smartest boy in our classroom. Actually, he do the most of our assignment. Thank you very much for doing your great works.
Welcome.
I would like to know what type of energy do you have that you can work hard all the time?
Hot
Do you eat something else like uh, fruits or something like that,
No, I
or simple
simple
as usual others?
as result others. No, nothing. My energy come to always come to God. I believe
Okay.
God, so I got I I of I got many energy from God because I believe God. And
Okay.
that's it.
So, do you like to work every time, or do you like leisure time, sleeping?
I like work every time. I sleeping. Yes, I sleeping, but I like work many times.
Okay. How many hours you do work in a day? In 24 hours, how
Mm,
many hours you work?
6, 7 for totally.
6, 7 hours in total.
Uh-huh.
So you have around 17, 18 hours left. What you do on that time?
That time I just practice like in website 6, 7 hours, and then I always help my father mother, and I practice English, and
Okay.
they are have sleeping eating, uh, nothing.
Perfect. So you need to increase your working time to 10 hours to 12 hours
Yes.
to get maximum result on it. So best of luck to you, and I know you will be successful in near future,
Okay.
inshallah. So I would like to go with our pro student Naim, Red Rafsan, and Siam. They are very genius and working hard. So I would like to talk with three of them. I don't specific one from here. So, who are interested to talk with me? Just raise your hand. Are you? Okay. Red Rafsan, your dress is red, your mind is red, your heart is red, everything is red. So, how about your blogging?
Where is rent?
Are you still working on making videos?